Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Designing Developer. Like previously we have done many of the things related to Next.js and I hope you all enjoy that all things which we have done using Next.js, and this video will be also really helpful. So remember to see this video from start to end so you can learn one to one thing about this video, and this video will be containing many of the things which you need to learn with Next.js, and I hope you will be enjoying this video also. And if you are enjoying learning things from this video, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with more your family members so they can learn about these amazing things which we are doing using React.js and Next.js. And we are also now covering the Next.js project, and in future I will be also bringing up some of the things which will be really helpful, and I will be also bringing up more clones which will be helpful for you, and with React.js that should be also really helpful. So remember to see that videos also, because that will give you help if you want to work with Next.js. So now if you want to just check my previous clones, you can check that out. Like previously we have built Netflix clone, Discord clone, and many other clones. You can check that out. We have also built a Disney clone using Next.js, and I hope you enjoy that. And now today we will be not bring like building any clone. We will be today I will be telling you small project of Next.js like previously we are covering. So now we'll be starting with our video, and we'll be seeing how we can build an amazing project using Next.js. So like I'm telling you, we will be building an amazing project using Next.js, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video also like you're enjoying all the previous videos of Next.js. And now we'll be starting to build our project which we'll be building using Next.js. So now for building that project, here I will be just doing one thing now. Here I will be opening my VS Code text editor, because when we are working with Next.js, so I was just working with that text editor. So simply I'll be opening my VS Code. You can see it is totally empty here because now we have done nothing. So we will be dragging dropping one folder here from local disk app which I've created already. Like previously in previous videos I've telling you how you can create that folder, and I've also telling you how you can work with that. So you can see I've drag drop this folder here in my VS Code, and we are getting all the things like we want here, and we are just getting the class name text center, and now we can make it more good looking. So here when you are getting your folder, now you have to go to terminal, and now we'll be running this folder in our default browser. Now you can default your default browser can be Opera browser, Google Chrome, or any other browser, but mine is Opera browser, so I'll be working with that. Now you have to wait a while till it is opening your terminal, because now we have to write the command to run our Next.js app. So you have to wait a while till it is creating that thing. You can directly run it in localhost also, but now we have to wait because that will be taking some time to run our terminal here in our localhost. So you have to wait a while till it will be running your it will be running your this terminal. So you have to wait a while. So now I will be moving to my terminal. Okay, so nothing. So one error is coming here. So I will be doing one thing here, like I will be running this like this. Now here I will be doing one thing. I will be now moving to my Opera browser here, and here I will be writing localhost. So here you have to write localhost 3000. Now you can see it is not opening because now we have not run this. So you have to just write all the codes first of all, then you have to run. So I will be deleting all the terminals here, and I will be making one new terminal, and you can see now it will be not taking too much time, and it will be opening our terminal here. So you have to write here npm, or you can say npm run dev. This is the command to run your Next.js app. So here you have to wait. Okay, so now when you've done with this, here I will be doing one thing. Just you have to do another thing like so. Now, like I've telling you, it was just not running from our terminal, so I have directly run it from my command prompt. You can also do that if your VS Code is not working. So I've just run that from my command prompt. Now you can see it is saying that your server has been started on your localhost. So I will be running this server here. So now I'll be moving here in my Opera browser. Simply you have to just now write localhost, and when you will be writing that, so you have to wait a while till it will be running. And okay, so I've closed the command prompt by mistake, so because of that now I will be writing same command local disk f, then write here cd your project name. My project name is project 9. Write npm run dev to run your Next.js app. Now it will be running your Next.js app in your default browser. So you don't have to close this, just you have to minimize this thing, and you can see now we are getting our things and we are running this. Now when you have run your Next.js app, so here you have to just do it half screen, means your coding side should be bigger than your styling side. Now you can see we are getting these things here, and we can style these so we can make it more good look. So here we are getting one header tag. I will be raising all the things from this header. Save this. We are getting fonts written here. Now same thing I will be doing in my footer.js file also. So erase all the things from here, just write this tag, save this, then move to your layout.js file. Here it is. Remove all the things from here also, so I will be removing these. Now you can see we have done with this all things. So I'll be now doing one thing, I'll be saving this. You can see all the things has been gone and we are just getting our font section. Now when you are just getting this, you can style your tag here, so we can make it more good look like we are building that. So here now you can just write a command here like padding or margin. So if I write margin 3, save, you can see we are getting the margin 3 here. Now when you are getting the margin, so here you can style that more good look, like you can write float right or float left. So here if I write float right, save, so you can see nothing happens because now this tag should not work here. If I write like this, so again it should not work. So this was the thing which I want to show you, save, so it is not working here. So now when you are just getting this, just you have to write display none, save this. You can see now when I've written display none, so our this layout tag is now gone. Now if I write display flags, save this, you can see now we are getting display flags here. So this was the thing which I want to show you, how you can use a display tag here. So if I write here display none, so you will be not seeing that, you can see. And now you can use many other tags also in class name here which you want to use, like container and many other classes, so it can make it more good look. So here you can just use some of the other tag, like you can use the images and many other tag here. So if I use image, save this, you can see now we are getting one image class name here. So here you can now write box shadow here. So if I write box shadow, save, so right here box shadow simply, so you will be getting one box shadow here. So I will be writing this. So now this was the thing which I want to show you. Now you can set its width 100, save, so you will be getting the width 200. So you can save it and you can make it good look. So you can see we are getting width and height. You can set its height 500, save this. So here when you are just getting here you have to just write 500, save. So now when you are just getting these things here, so you have to now write display none. So here you have to write save. You can see now the display has been none. So here if I just copy this thing here and pasting it in my footer section, paste, go to header.js, write class name here also and paste that thing, save. You can see now all the things has been gone, just footer is coming because here I have not saved. You can see now all the things has been gone because everywhere I have written display none. If I save, you can see now we are getting. So this was the display tag which I want to show you, like how you can use a display tag. You can also use the box sizing tag here, like you can write box sizing, you can write border box, save. So here I will be writing border box like this, so you will be getting like this. So here I will be writing border, so here I will be writing border solid, save, so you will be getting border. So now when you are just getting this thing, so you can just write b dash none. So if I write b dash none, so you can see now your border will be none. So here this was the thing which I want to show, and this was our project which we have built using Next.js, and I hope you enjoy how to build an amazing project using Next.js. If you have enjoyed, learned things from this video, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can learn about these amazing things and skills and how we can use a display tag using Next.js. So I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.